Hello, grade 4. Good afternoon. This is a math class, and I want to welcome each one of you in this class. I hope you are doing well at home. Once again, I want to request you, please, if you can, get your books as soon as possible. Let's start our class. In our last class, we were reading Unit 2, and we read up to Hindu Arabic and Devanagari number. According to our book, now it's time to read International Number System. But did you remember we already read about it in our first math online class? So dear students, today I will just revise this topic. International number system is the number system which is universally accepted and used. Its place value start from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions and trillion. Now another things you have to remember is while counting place value and putting comma, we have to start to count from the last digits. For reading and writing, we have to start from the first digit. Now let's learn about greatest and lowest number. Greatest mean the biggest one and least number mean the smallest number. Okay, first of all let's see the number. These are the numbers and we have to find out which is the biggest and which is the smallest number among these numbers. Can you find the biggest and the smallest number? Yes, of course, the biggest number among these is 9 and the smallest number is 1. Now, what we have to remember is 9 and 1 are greatest and lowest one digit number. But if we are asked to find out the greatest two digits number, then it will be 9929. And if we are asked to find out greatest three digits number, it's 999. This is the way it will go. And like greatest, if we are asked to find out the smallest or the least number of two digits, then it will be 10. And if we are again asked to find out the smallest three digits, then it will be 100. And for 1000, and we have to remember is as the number will increase, here in lowest, 0 will also increase. For more information, you can look at the screen as well. There is the pictures of the greatest number and the smallest number given. Okay, this much for today. Thank you so much for joining the class. Now it's time for homework. Your homework is doing exercise 2.3, all the questions. If you have any problems or confusion, please ask me. I am always there to help you. Thank you so much. Stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed, do your homeworks. Bye bye.